I hope you're well and having the most incredible day today. As always, welcome back to my channel. Let me know down below how you are because I would love to know. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. As you guys are well aware, I own far too much Lush stuff. If you've been following me for a while, you will know that I own a disgusting amount. So I've decided that this year I want to get through my collection, use up as much as possible, and I thought I would share with you the 10 products that I've picked out of my collection that I really want to use up first, get through, and hopefully do a Lush empties video at the end of 2021, which will be very exciting. I've recently decided that every collection that comes out I will be purchasing most of it, if not all of it, because I do want to share videos with you guys with the collections in my hands. I feel like it's a lot more informative and I think you guys prefer that. Let me know down below. I used to just insert pictures, but now I really want to kind of unbox the collections on camera, give you my first impressions, and I have just spent £70 on the entire Valentine's Day range, so that video will be coming out either Wednesday or Sunday, which is really, really exciting. So I have selected 10 items to get through this year. I'm so excited. I've picked out 10 really random miscellaneous items from my collection that I just want to use up. So without further ado, I'm going to jump into this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Grab yourselves a drink or a snack or a coffee or a wine, depending on the time of day, I guess. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. So the first 4 items I want to get through this year are all body lotions. I actually hate body lotion, so for somebody to not like it and to own far too many, it's just a bit bizarre. So I've decided to use these 4 up. The first one I want to get through this year is the Sleepy Body Lotion. This is a twilight scented lotion, so it smells like lavender and vanilla and it's so lovely. I actually don't have much left, which is really exciting because I've really been trying to go to town with this and probably put on far too much because I just want to get rid of it. I've had it in my collection for probably about 4 years, which is gross. I need to get rid of that because that is disgusting. So I'm going to be getting rid of this as soon as possible. Hopefully within the next week or so I can get rid of that because that would just be really nice, and then I have to focus on 3, which is great. The next body lotion I want to get through is the Sympathy for the Skin. I've mentioned this in so many videos. You guys would have seen me mention it many a time. This is probably one of my favorites because the consistency and the texture isn't thick. It's a really nice thin consistency and it smells like vanilla, so it's so lovely and gentle, and it looks like this. If I tip it too much it is going to pour out, but it looks like that. Oh, that one just smells amazing. It smells like vanilla ice cream, so if you like that really creamy, gentle scent, this is great, and it doesn't leave that horrible, sticky, thick residue on you either, so I love this one. Definitely could be used as a hand cream if you didn't want to use all over your body, and this one has a lot of cocoa butter and almond oil in it, so if you're allergic to almonds, don't use this, but other than that, I really like that one. The next lotion I want to get through this year is this one. This is the Dream Cream Lotion, probably one of my favourites. It's really, really great for people who have eczema, psoriasis, anything like sensitive on the skin. This one is really great. It's got a definite more thicker texture than Sympathy for the Skin. As you can see, I can hold it like that and it just doesn't fall out. Very, very thick, but this one again is full of oat milk and cocoa butter, and I believe this has got olive oil in, so it's just really rich, moisturizing, gentle. It's just great, and I actually have used this for fresh tattoos before and I really liked it, so if you guys have tattoos and you want a nice body lotion for those, this is really great. I really recommend it. And the last body lotion I want to get through this year is my Yognog Body Milk. Now you're probably thinking, Melody, that only came out in December, like why do you want to get rid of it so quickly? And that is because I actually bought a larger bottle of it because I was obsessed with the scent. So I have a small bottle and I have a medium bottle. Oh, it just smells heavenly. Like, this has got to be one of my favourites, if not my favourite body lotion I think I've ever used. It's got a very thin consistency, so very similar to the Sympathy for the Skin. If I show you guys on my hand, it's definitely like could be more of a hand cream, to be honest. It's a really light kind of milky consistency, but the scent is just enough to make me love it. Like, it smells like toffee and cookies and caramel. I remember when the soap first came out because that was the only item that they used to bring out in the Yognog scent, and I instantly fell in love, and I couldn't even tell you how much soap I bought. Like, it was disgusting, but oh, so good. So yeah, I want to get through that as well. Even though I love it, I would like to get through the small one. Moving on to body sprays, I would absolutely love to finish up my Twilight body spray. As you can hear, There's not overly loads left, so I think this is definitely doable, especially if I kind of grab it more than a perfume. I definitely think I can get through this within the next few months. And this smells of lavender vanilla. It's so relaxing. This is great for your bed sheets as well, so if you don't want to use it on your body, really lovely to put on your bed sheets. It's got such a calming, gentle scent that will really help you sleep at night as well, and oh, it's just amazing. I love the Twilight scent. I love the Twilight bath bomb and the sleepy body lotion and the soap and the bubble bar, so this is just another amazing item that I absolutely love, but I just want to use it because I have got another bottle of it, obviously, so I want to get through this one. The next item that I'd love to get through this year is the Monsters and Aliens Fun. This is a Lord of Misrule scented Play-Doh soap, which sounds really, really weird, but I used to buy all the new Funs when they came out, so I actually have probably about 5 or 6 different Fun bars, so I really want to get through a few of them this year if I can, and I actually use these as bubble bars instead, so I can get through them a lot quicker, and I just crumble it up into a sieve, hold the sieve under the tap, and it makes really beautiful light bubbles. And yeah, but this one smells like Lord of Misrule, which is patchouli, black pepper and vanilla, and it sounds gross, but I promise you it's probably one of the nicest scents ever. It's just so good. So if you haven't tried this yet, I really recommend it. I'm not actually sure whether they make it anymore. That could be something, but smells amazing. So yeah, I do like these. The only thing with them I find is that they can melt very easily, so I would not leave these in your bathroom unless you want a big pile of fun mulch. The next 2 items are both teeth related. The first one is the Oral Pleasure Toothy Tabs. Now, I've had these for quite a while and I've not really used them so much. I used to use them ages ago and I actually really enjoyed them when I did use them. I think I just put them in a drawer and I completely forgot, so hopefully I'm going to get through these super soon. If you don't know what Toothy Tabs are, essentially it's a solid toothpaste. So you crunch it up in your mouth, you get your wet toothbrush and you just go to town and brush your teeth as normal, and it's just really nice. It's a nice way to have a natural toothpaste, and scent wise I think it's just a light sweet fragrance. Yeah, just a sweet light fragrance, nothing too groundbreaking about it, but I do really like these. The Boom ones, the black ones, are insane. They're great for whitening your teeth, so I would highly recommend those, probably more so than these, but I actually finished up those, so I use these ones now. So I'm going to use these and hopefully finish this pot by the end of the year, so fingers crossed. And the second teeth related item is the Creme de Menthe mouthwash tabs, which are these. Now these actually smell amazing. Oh, it smells like a mint gel pen. Do you guys ever remember gel pens? Like, oh, that smells amazing, so fresh. And with these, all you do is you crunch them in your mouth, add some water, swish it all about, and you just spit it out, and that is it. A lot of people used to think that these were sweets and they would eat them in the shop and then they would foam in their mouth and then they would spit them out on the side, which was really nice because then I'd have to go and clean it up. Yeah, you literally just swirl it around your mouth, you spit it out, and they're so fresh and great. This would be something that would be really great to put in your handbag if you're traveling, when we can travel, fingers crossed. But yeah, love these, really great. And last but not least, I have 2 lip items. The first one is the Bubblegum Lip Scrub. As you can see by mine, it is definitely worse for wear, and that is because it's pretty much out of date now, which is really sad because I forgot I had it. But it smells fine and it looks absolutely fine, so I'm going to continue to use it until I either finish it or it goes a bit gross, but I probably won't eat it because it is out of date. I'll probably just rub it on and wipe it off. But if you've not tried these, you can eat them. I'm not just weird. You literally just scrub it on your lips and you lick it off. It is a sugar scrub, so it's all natural, all edible, and it is really nice, and that one tastes of bubblegum, so love that. And the second lip scrub, which is also my last item that I'm going to try and use up this year, is the Sugar Plum Fairy. This one is probably more so my favourite than the bubblegum one. I just love this one. It smells like the Comforter, so it's a really lovely blackcurranty sweet scent. It's definitely still sweet. The Mint Juleps one is delicious if you want more of a minty, fresh tasting lip scrub, but this one is so good. It came out for Christmas and I absolutely love it. I think I got this one last Christmas though, like 2019 Christmas, so it is probably nearly out of date now, which is really annoying. Oh no, I have a little while left, that's good. So yeah, it's nice, I like it. So this one, like I said, I probably prefer over the bubblegum just because it's not as in your face sweet, but I do still really like both of them. So hopefully we can get through both of these this year, fingers crossed. So those are all of the 10 products that I'm hoping to get through this year. Fingers crossed I can do it. I'm hoping to get through more more as well. I am going to try and use a few shower gels up and a lot of my bath products, so hopefully we can get through that this year. If you aren't subscribed, make sure you do. 56% of you actually aren't subscribed to my channel who watch my videos, so if you're not watching this, please do. It would absolutely make my day, and I would really love to hit 10k this year. It would be a great milestone for me, so if you aren't subscribed and you do watch my videos, please subscribe. It's free to do, and I would love to have you here as a permanent member of my YouTube fam. So this is a virtual hug, by the way, because obviously I can't hug you all because you wouldn't fit, so yeah, please stick around. Also, make sure you hit that bell notification so it notifies you every time I upload a video. I will have my Lush Valentine's Day collection unboxing, reveal, reaction video coming up either Wednesday or Sunday. So make sure you are subscribed because you don't want to miss it, because I ordered everything, which was £70 I'm never going to get back. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!